there's a Downton Abbey exhibit here in New York. My friend Joe just went. My sister Maria is going to come in to see it soon. Have you seen it yet?
I went last night, and
just
earlier in the week, yeah. And I have to say, I did get a little bit nostalgic, you know, because it's beautifully done, and for those who followed the show, they would love it. You really would, because it's
beautifully curated.
Well, exactly. As you can see, it's not just the costumes. You know, they've recreated some of the sets and lots of bits of history and detail from the show. And I have to say, going into this building in New York and going through the sets, there's Mr. Carson telling us what to do. It was very sort of moving, actually, because it was 6 years of my life condensed into this exhibit.
And there it is.
Yeah.
It's 360 too. That's what I love about it. You feel like you can reach out and touch everything.
Yeah, absolutely.
Will there be a film, do you think? I mean, of course, there's been rumors since day one.
Yeah, I keep hearing from people, especially people like you, that there is going to be a film. I don't know.
You're like, nobody told me.
I don't know.
I'm late for that date, so...
Well, I think put it this way, there's a lot of goodwill towards the idea, because there's still certainly a lot of love for the programme, and I can imagine a world in which a film would happen, put it that way.